Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the China Eastern application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Flight Status button. And first you have to give your flight number. So just type that in. And then just set the departure time. And then click on the Search button. And once you have the right flight number, it will show the flight status. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.